Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch D and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, and now you can press and hold on this watch face to open the watch face menu. In this menu you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you like to use and then tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces, so if you open the watch face menu, you will see that some of the watch faces have the settings button under them. You can tap on this button and here we can change, for example, the widgets. So we can tap on one, select something else, like that. And once you're done, you can press the home button to apply the changes. Okay, you can also enter the watch face menu through settings. So if we swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, like this, tap on the settings icon, and here we have the watch face option. You can tap on it, tap on watch face again, and this should bring you to the watch face menu. Okay. You can also change the watch face by using the phone application on the phone that is paired with your watch. So I'm gonna move this to the side, bring our phone right here, zoom out the camera, like this, move this to the side, and we can bring this back. Okay, so this phone is paired with our watch. We can open the Huawei Health application on it. And in the app we can tap on devices, select our Huawei Watch D from the list of devices connected to the phone, and then scroll down and you should see the category called watch faces. You can tap on more. Then tap on mine. And here we have the list of watch faces on our watch. And we can tap on one, then tap on set as default to apply it, like this. And then we can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.